Hey gang, how's it going? So I've been using the Redmi Note 9 Pro now. Hey gang, how's it going? Been using the Redmi Note 9 Pro now for a couple of days, and I've had a little play around with the camera and played a couple of little games and that kind of thing. Nothing too taxing. I haven't even charged it, so this has been 3 days since I made the last video, and it was on, I think, 44% out of the box, and it's now on 28%. It's been left on the shelf. I've made a couple of little videos, took some pictures of a nice sunset and a few pictures around the garden, etc. I just want to... Redmi 9 Note Pro camera recording, main camera. Redmi 9 Note Pro, front facing camera. Apologise because I made a little boo-boo in the last video. So I looked at a YouTube video and I had a copyright claim come through, which means that basically I didn't have the permission to play said video or music. So that last video that may well have some muted audio in, so you won't be able to hear the audio, which is a bit of a shame, but it's just the audio on YouTube, so you'll have to take my word for the quality. So what have we got? So got the rapid fingerprint sensor on the side, which, you know, I'm pretty chuffed with that. I think that's pretty quick. We've got decent battery life. We've got a nice big screen. The camera, I mean, I think you can tell from the video I did of the unboxing that the camera is a really nice camera, and I mean, for the sort of £200 mark, it's unbelievable. And I think you're going to struggle to get a camera that good for that kind of money. I think, you know, you step up to the 300, 350 bracket, you might get a camera that's as good as this, but you know, they're on the back of their 10th anniversary now, and they're getting a good rep. So I think you know, Redmi are smashing it. So the pictures we've got, you're going to see a little video I made, couple of little sunset pictures, as you can see. Little sunset picture there, and then, you know, just some little random remote control in the house, and there'll be a little picture of the bear. There's a couple of little videos, some flowers, just so you can get a bit of a gist of the phone itself. The camera, which is one of the main things that I like to talk about, because for me, I think that's sort of secondary. You know, people mainly use their phones for social media, taking pictures of family, snapshots out and about, and I think to review the camera is a big one. Primarily still photography, and then, you know, quick video on the video camera of you know, people blowing out their candles, that kind of thing, on birthday cakes. I took a little video of a sunset the other night, and I think it's pretty good. Really impressed with the camera. I would say that the saturation might be a touch over on some of the pictures where I've taken pictures of flowers. They're really vibrant colours, and I think this is a little bit too bright. That might be something you could tweak in the settings, which isn't something I've actually looked at, but, you know, again, I'm really pleased with this phone. I would be more than happy to use this phone, you know, for those kind of things. I don't know how it's going to be throughout the day, using it specifically for the whole day, but I'm really chuffed with it. I think that's a great finish on the back. You've got the Gorilla Glass 5 front and back, and then I like the placement of the fingerprint sensor as well. I've not had a phone or tested a phone where the fingerprint sensor's on the side. It's always been under the screen or on the back. That's pretty standard. So really impressed with this, as you can tell. I hope I'm not being a bit too boring, but, you know, if you think you might like this phone, check out my link below to it, so you can see all the specs and all the details. And a sub to the channel would be amazing. That means I can continue to make content. There's no point making it if no one's watching it. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to sub, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.